Hi everyone. So how are you all? So next video from the isomers, that is first video we had seen classification of isomerism. In that first we had discussed the structural isomers. In that chain and positional isomer we had seen in the first video. Those who not watched the first video, you can watch in the description. I will mention the link of the first video, and also you can find in the iCard also. So now next isomer is, next structural isomers are metamers, functional group isomer and tautomers. These three isomers we are going to discuss now. Now first one is what? Metamers. Now what is mean by metamers here? Organic compounds having same molecular formula but differ in their alkyl groups around the bivalent functional group. What is mean by metamers here? Around the bivalent functional group, if we have different alkyl groups are substituted, then such type of organic compounds are said to be metamers. Now which are having same molecular formula. Now you see here which type of functional groups comes under bivalent functional groups. Ethers, secondary amines, esters, ketones, these all will comes under bivalent functional groups. Now you take it is a ether. It is ROR. So ROR functional group. So it is comes under ether. Now you see here it is methyl group is there. Here it is propyl group is there. Whose molecular formula is C4. How many hydrogens are there? C4H10O. Here also C4H10O. Both are having same molecular formula but differ in their alkyl group around this bivalent functional group. Around this oxygen. Oxygen is what? Bivalent functional group. That is, ether is the bivalent functional group. Now around this bivalent functional group, here methyl is there, here ethyl is there. Here propyl is there, here ethyl is there. So different alkyl groups are substituted around the bivalent functional group. Then these two comes under metamers. These are the examples of metamers. Is that clear? Next one, you will take the secondary amine. When you will get secondary amine from ammonia, this is ammonia molecule, NH3. From ammonia, if you are replacing one hydrogen with one alkyl group, then you are going to get primary amine. You are going to get primary amine. If you are replacing two hydrogens from the NH3 and two alkyl groups are substituted, then it is called secondary amine. If the three hydrogens are replaced by the three alkyl group, then it is called tertiary amine. So among these, which is the bivalent one? This is the secondary amine containing NH is bivalent functional group. Around this bivalent functional group, here methyl group is there, here ethyl. Here propyl is there, here ethyl is there. Having same molecular formula but different alkyl groups are substituted around the bivalent functional group. So they comes under metamers. Now next one. Third video you can see. Third example you can see here. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it is what? Ketone. So this keto group, C double bond O group is what? It is a bivalent functional group. Here which functional group, which is alkyl group is there? CH2CH3. Here also CH2CH3. Here ethyl group, here also ethyl group. But whereas in this case it is a 3-pentanone, it is 3-pentanone, it is 2-pentanone, it is 2-pentanone. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 3-pentanone and 2-pentanone. These two are which type of isomers? These two are metamers. If they not mention the metamers, then you have to say positional isomer. Having same carbon chain, but the position of functional group is different. If they not mention the metamers, then we have to say the positional isomer. If they mention the metamers, means definitely you have to say first priority should be given to the metamers. Is that clear? Next one. Here it is what? Which functional group it is? Ester functional group. It is what? Ester functional group. Now ester has the ROC double bond O, R it is. So alkyl alkanoate is the IPSC name. Now this is the alkyl group. Here these are the parent chain. Here parent chain will be how much? 1, 2, 3. So methyl propanoate is the IPSC name. Here it is what? Ethyl ethanoate. It is ethyl ethanoate. It is methyl propanoate. These two are having the what? This is ester is bivalent functional group. Around this bivalent functional group, here methyl is there, here ethyl. Here ethyl is there, here methyl. Different alkyl groups are substituted around the bivalent functional group. So they comes under metamers. Have you understood what is meant by metamers? Now next we are going to see the functional isomer. Next one is functional group isomer. What is meant by functional group isomer here? Organic compound having same molecular formula but differ in their functional group or functional atom. They are said to be functional group isomer. Now we will see the list of some example here. 7 types of examples are there. For each one we will discuss the more number of examples. You see here alcohols and ethers comes under functional group isomer. Alcohols and ethers which are having same molecular formula. Now you take the ethyl alcohol CH3CH2OH. So whose molecular formula is C2H6O. Now you take the similarly another one CH3OCH3. Now how many carbons are there? 2 carbons, 6 hydrogens, 1 oxygen. Both are having same molecular formula, but here alcohol it is. Which functional group present here? Alcohol. Which functional group is present here? Ether functional group. Alcohols and ethers comes under functional group isomer, which are having same molecular formula but differ in their functional group or functional atom. So those comes under functional group isomer. Next one you can take not only those alcohol and ether, you can take the different, not only ethyl alcohol, you can take the, so it is butanol. You can take the butanol. It is 1-butanol. Now another compound you take the 2-butanol. 1-butanol and 2-butanol. What are these two? These two are positional isomer. Having same carbon chain but the different in their position of functional groups. So they comes under positional isomer. Next you take the another compound, that is 2-methyl propanol. Okay na? So and another compound you can take this one. So tertiary butyl alcohol. Okay na? Now in this case these two are what? Which type of isomer? These two are positional isomer. Having same carbon chain but differ in their position of functional group. Here first position, here second position. Having same carbon chain. Okay na? But differ in their position of functional group. They comes under positional isomer. Now these two comes under chain isomer. Having same molecular formula, differ in their carbon chain. And this all will be alcoholic isomer for the C4H10O. For this molecule, how many alcoholic isomers are possible? 4 alcoholic isomer. Out of 4 alcoholic isomer, so 2 will be primary alcohol, 1 is the secondary alcohol, 1 will be the tertiary alcohol. Now you take the ether functional group containing compound you take. Now say for example CH3O, CH2, CH2, CH3. Whose formula is C4H10O. Now you take the another compound CH3, CH2, O, CH2, CH3. Now these two are having same molecular formula C4H10O. Okay na? So these two comes under metamers. Just now we had discussed metamers. Around the bivalent functional group, different alkyl group. Here propyl, here methyl, here ethyl, here also ethyl. These two are metamers. And one more will be possible, that is CH3O, CH, CH3, CH3. Methyl isopropyl ether. Is also another ether isomer. Total how many isomers are possible for C4H10O? Only structural. I am not discussing about the stereoisomer here. Only structural isomers are total of 7. So 4 will be alcohol and 3 will be ether isomer. Now this ethers and this alcohols are the functional group isomer. I think so you have understood the first example, that is alcohols and ethers which are having same molecular formula comes under functional group isomer. Next we are going to see the second category, second type of example for the functional group isomer, that is aldehydes, ketones and unsaturated alcohol. You take the aldehydes. So say for example, I am taking propanol, CH3CH2CHO. It is propanol, and you take the another compound which is having same molecular formula. It is propanone. It is propanone. It is propanol. It is propanol. It is propanol and propanol. Both are having how many carbons? So 3 carbons. How many hydrogens are there? 6 hydrogens, 1 oxygen. Here also C3, 6 hydrogens, 1 oxygen. Both are having same molecular formula, but here aldehyde is the functional group, here ketone is the functional group. Organic compound having same molecular formula but differ in their functional group. They comes under functional group isomer. For this only I am going to write unsaturated alcohol. You can write like this, no? CH2 double bond, CHC double bond, OH. Now having same molecular formula or not? C3H6. Okay. Now here how many? Unsaturated alcohol, not carbonyl compound, unsaturated alcohol, CH2OH. Okay, na? So it is unsaturated alcohol. 3 carbons. How many hydrogens are there? Total of 6 hydrogens, 1 oxygen. So it is unsaturated alcohol which is having same molecular formula but different functional group. Here alcohol, here aldehyde, ketone. These all are having same molecular formula but differ in their functional group. They comes under functional group isomer. I think so. Second example you have understood, that is aldehydes, ketones and unsaturated alcohol. This is unsaturated alcohol. So it is called allyl alcohol. Allyl alcohol, because allyl carbon attached OH group. So allyl alcohol. Is that clear? So I think so you have understood. Now you can do the what? You can take the another example for that. Same with 4 number of carbon containing CH3, CH2. So CH2, C double bond OH. It is butanol. So next to butanone you take C double bond O, CH2, CH2, CH3. Now both are having same molecular formula but differ in their functional group. You take the CH3, CH double bond CH, CH2, OH. It is unsaturated alcohol. And you can write one more unsaturated alcohol, CH2, CH, CH2, CH2, OH. These two are which type of isomer? These two are, now you see here 1, 2, 3, 4. It is which isomer? But 2-enol. Okay, but 2-enol. It is which type of isomer? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is but 3-enol. Okay, na? So that is third position double bond is there. Here second position double bond. Having same carbon chain but differ in their position of position of multiple bond. So these two comes under positional isomer. These two comes under positional isomer. These two comes under functional isomer. These are comes under functional group isomer. Is that clear? Now you can get the what here? 2-butanol and it is a propanol. Okay, sorry, butanol is comes under functional group isomer. Next, second example also you have understood, I think so. So next we are going to see the third one. So these examples are very important. Okay, na? So third one is which one? Acids, esters and hydroxycarbonyl compound. Carbonyl compounds are nothing but which are having C double bond O functional group. They are called carbonyl compound. Like what? Aldehydes, ketones are called carbonyl compounds. Okay, na? Now you take the acid. You take one acid. So 3 carbon containing acid I am taking CH2, COOH. It is what? Propanoic acid. Which acid? Propanoic acid. Now after this, for this I am writing the ester. Now you take here CH3, C double bond O, CH3. Now you see here it is methyl ethanoate. What is the IUPAC name? Methyl ethanoate. Methyl ethanoate. These two are having same molecular formula or not? C3. How many hydrogens are there? 6 hydrogens, 2 oxygens. C3H6O2. So here also C3H6O2. Having same molecular formula, but here oic acid is there. Here ethanoate, that is ester is the functional group. It is ester and carboxylic acid. Those two are comes under carboxylic acid, and ester comes under functional group isomer. And also hydroxycarbonyl compound. You can take the another one. So same compound you can take like this, CH2OH, CH2, C double bond OH. Now you take in this case, is it having same molecular formula or not? 3 carbons. How many hydrogens? So 6 hydrogens. Here one oxygen, here one oxygen. So it is hydroxyaldehyde. Okay, now and also you can take the hydroxy ketone also. CH2OH, C double bond O, CH3. So it is hydroxy ketone. 1, 2, 3. So 3 carbons are there, 6 hydrogens, 2 oxygens. These all will comes under functional group isomer. Which are functional group isomer? Acids, ester, hydroxycarbonyl compounds are comes under functional group isomer. You have to check first thing whether they are having same molecular formula or not. After that you should go for the identifying the which functional group it is present. Now next we are going to see the next one, primary, secondary, tertiary amines and amides comes under functional group isomer, but not primary and secondary alcohol, but not primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols will not comes under functional group isomer. Only primary, secondary, tertiary amides will comes under functional group isomer, but alcohols will not. They comes under chain positional, like that we will get a different isomer for those secondary these. But these primary, secondary, tertiary amines comes under functional group isomer. You take the water CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2. It is which isomer it is? Just now I told you what is mean by primary amine. From the ammonia, one hydrogen is replaced by one alkyl group. Which alkyl group it is? Propyl. So it is called primary amine. Next you take here 2 hydrogens are replaced by 2 alkyl groups, CH2, NH, CH3. Now in this case how many carbons are there? 3 carbons. How many hydrogens? 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 1. Now here formula is what? C3 and H9 it is. Okay, now C3H9N. Here also C3H9N. It is which type of amine? It is secondary amine. So secondary amine. Now you can take the another example here. CH3, CH3, CH3. So here 3 carbons, 9 hydrogens, 1 nitrogen. So it is called tertiary amine. It is called tertiary amine. Primary, secondary, tertiary amines are comes under which type of isomer? Functional group isomer. And also you can take the amide. Which are said to be amide here? So CH3, CH2, C double bond O, NH2 group is there, means it is called amide functional group. C double bond O, NH2 group is called amide functional group. It is a primary amide. If you replace by the one hydrogen by one alkyl group, secondary amide, tertiary amine, like that you will get. So those comes under functional group isomer. Next we are going to see the next one, nitroalkanes and alkyl nitrides comes under functional group isomer. Nitroalkanes and alkyl nitrides having same molecular formula. Say for example you take nitroethane, NO2. It is called what? Nitroethane. Here nitrogen is bonded with ethyl group. Nitrogen is bonded with this carbon. It can be structurally written as CH3, CH2, 2 hydrogens. Here nitrogen is the bonding atom. But whereas if you are taking ethyl nitrite, CH3CH2 ONO. Here oxygen is the bonded atom. Then it is called ethyl nitrite. Ethyl nitrite. Now ethyl nitrite and nitroethane having same molecular formula. You take the structural form here. So here oxygen is the bonded atom. Here nitrogen is the bonded atom. Then it is called nitroalkane. If it is oxygen is the bonded atom, then alkyl nitrite we have to say. Both are having same molecular formula C2H5NO2. Okay na? Both are having C2H5NO2, but they are having the what? Differ in their functional group. Here nitro, here nitrite. Nitrito functional group. Okay na? So nitroalkanes and alkyl nitrites comes under functional group isomer. Next we are going to see the alkynes and alkadienes. You take the alkynes and alkadienes. Say for example I am taking butane. Which I am taking? Butane I am taking. Whose formula is what? Whose formula is C4H6. Butane. Which is obeys the what? CnH2n minus 2 formula. Alkyne and butadiene. CH2 double bond CH, CH double bond CH2. Now it is also having the what? C4H6 only. It is butadiene. It is 1,3 butadiene. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 1,3 butadiene. But whereas here it is 2 butane. It is which one? It is the 2 butane. So 2 butane. It is 1,3 butadiene. Alkyne it is alkadiene. These two comes under functional group isomer. These two comes under functional group isomer. That is alkynes and alkadienes comes under functional group isomer. Next is cyanides and isocyanides also comes under functional group isomer. You take the C2H5Cn. It is called ethyl cyanide. Ethyl cyanide. Ethyl cyanide. Next you take the C2H5NC. Ethyl isocyanide. Ethyl isocyanide. Isocyanide. Cyanides, ethyl cyanide and ethyl isocyanide. Both are having the what? Same molecular formula. Functional group is cyanide, here isocyanide. Having same molecular formula but differ in their functional group. They comes under functional group isomer. Now see here, what are the possible functional group isomers here? Alcohols and ethers, aldehydes, ketones and unsaturated alcohol, acids, esters and hydroxycarbonyl compound, primary, secondary, tertiary amines and amides comes under functional group but not primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols. So next one, nitroalkanes and alkyl nitrites and alkynes and alkadienes and also cyanides and isocyanides. All will comes under this functional group isomer. Is that clear? So in this video we had seen so far functional group isomers and metamers. So that's it, complete about what functional group isomers and metamers. Okay, that's it about what functional group isomers and metamers. Thank you. Have a nice day. Keep watching Appa Chemistry classes.